Hello everyone, I am Belinda from Chunwang. During our life, more and more people use this kind of moisture absorber products. But sometimes, the calcium chloride inside is caking and it hardly absorbs water anymore, like this. Maybe we can see more clearly from this bag. Perhaps your guys might suppose the product is of no quality, but the fact is not. The raw materials of this kind of product is calcium chloride. It is only for absorbing excess moisture in our life. When the relative humidity drops below 60%, the calcium chloride becomes dormant. Especially in winter, we can see this is too small. So, this is how it works normally. Do you know more about the moisture absorber products now? Follow me, more information about them will be shown to you.